Keith, good to see you. Saw the announcement today, graduating to the TSX. What does that mean for the company?
It's a real recognition, Matt, about how we've come from early stage exploration into emerging producer status. And for us, it's just the whole thing of graduating to the TSX demonstrates the credibility that transition has provided. It'll create more visibility to a lot other potential shareholders that really follow larger stocks that are traded on the TSX, and more liquidity, because again, a lot of funds, a lot of larger potential shareholders will be looking more to the TSX than they would to the venture. And so we're quite excited by this graduation.
Okay, you're obviously already on the NYSE, giving you access to the US institutional base. Obviously, this will help with your access to the Canadian institutional base as well, won't it?
Yes, it will. It will. So it's pretty much on par, if you will, bringing us in Canada to that same par as we would on the New York Stock Exchange.
Okay. Well, look, I think a big move. It's important, obviously, move for you guys. Let's see what that does for you in terms of that liquidity, credibility, and visibility. I appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thanks, Matt.